Of class 11. Today we are going to discuss the example 4.6. In this it is being said that a rain is falling vertically with a speed of 35 meter per second, and woman rides a bicycle with a speed of 12 meter per second in east to west direction. Means she is moving towards west direction. Then what is the direction in which she should hold her umbrella so that rain will not fall on her body? Now you see, we can plot the direction of rain falling vertically downward by the vector VR, and the woman is moving along the direction west, shown by the vector VB, and then we have to find the relative velocity of rain with respect to woman. So whenever we find this relative velocity of rain with respect to woman, what we need to do is we need to find the value of v velocity of rain with respect to woman, and that becomes the velocity of rain minus velocity of woman. So that is velocity of bicycle. So that's why we are doing is we find the value of minus VB by inversing the direction, and then finding the resultant, that is VRB. That will give us the relative velocity of rain with respect to the bicycle, that is the woman, and that will be the direction in which the rain appears to be falling. So the value of theta at which the umbrella of the woman should be tilted towards the west with the vertical must be equal to theta is equal to tan inverse VB upon VR, and that VB value is given to us. It is 12 meter per second, the speed of bicycle on which the woman rides, and the speed of rain is 35 meter per second. So that means theta is equal to tan inverse. That means theta is equal to tan inverse VB upon VR. That means theta is equal to tan inverse 12 upon 35, and so that becomes equal to 19 degree. So this is the angle at which the woman should tilt her umbrella to protect herself from the rainwater falling on her. Thank you and have a nice day.